Day 54 challenge. Speed is good, but accuracy is the best.
What is the capital of Canada?
Ottawa.
Which river is the longest river in the world?
Longest river. Nile River.
Very good. Mount Everest lies between which two countries?
Bound Nepal and China.
Very good. What is the smallest country in the world?
Smallest country in the world. Vatican City.
Very good. Which ocean is the deepest ocean in the world?
Pacific Ocean.
Good job. Which country has the most natural lakes?
Canada.
Very good. Which is the largest desert in the world?
Largest desert. Antarctic.
Very good. Which city is known as the city of canals? Which city is known as the city
Venice.
of... exactly. Very good. What is the currency of Japan?
Currency of Japan. Yen.
Good job. Very good. Who discovered America?
Who discovered America? Christopher Columbus.
Good job. Very good. Who was the first female prime minister of the UK?
Margaret Thatcher.
Well done. Very good. Which country was formerly known as Persia?
Known as Persia. Iran.
Good job. Which planet is known as the red planet?
The red planet. Mars.
Wow, super. Child, very good. Next polama. What is the hardest natural substance on earth?
Diamond.
Very good. What is the chemical symbol for gold?
You.
Super. Which organ filters blood in the body?
Filter. Kidney.
Good job. What is the largest mammal in the world?
Largest mammal. Blue whale.
Wow, super. What force keeps planet in orbit?
Orbit. Gravity.
Super. Which vitamin is produced when skin is exposed to sunlight?
Vitamin D.
Super. Who's known as the king of pop?
King of pop.
Who's known as the king of pop?
Michael Jackson.
Super, very good. What instrument has 88 keys?
Yes, sir. Piano.
Piano, very good. Which country invented football?
Football. England.
Wow, super. What is Japan's national sport?
Sumo wrestling.
Super. Which sport uses a shuttlecock?
Badminton.
Very good. What is the Tour de France?
Tour de France. Cycling race.
Very good, man. Who founded Microsoft?
Bill Gates.
Very good. What does www stand for?
World Wide Web.
Well done, very good. What is the most used search engine?
Google.
Super. Which fruit has seeds on the outside?
Strawberry.
Very good, strawberry. Good job. Which vitamin is found in orange?
Vitamin C.
Good job. What country is the origin of pizza?
Origin of pizza.
Which country is the origin of pizza?
Italy.
Very good. What does karate mean?
Empty hand.
Very good.
இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் இருக்கு.
அவ்வளவுதான் இருக்கு. முடிக்க போற ஷாயத் பாருங்க. What is the largest internal organ in the human body?
Liver.
Super. Who is the current prime minister of India?
Current prime minister of India.
Who is the current prime minister of India?
Prime Minister of India, there's Minister Narendra Modi.
Very good, very good. Which is the largest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter.
Super. Which is the capital city of India?
Capital city of India.
Which is the capital city of India?
New Delhi.
Super. Who is the CEO of Tesla?
Elon Musk.
Very good. Which is the largest desert in the world?
The last desert. Thar desert.
Very good. How many continents are there in the world?
How many continents?
Hmm.
7
Super.
continents.
Okay. Straight ukanklama. Which organ pumps blood in our body?
Pumps the body. Heart.
Super. Who's the founder of Amazon? Who's the founder of Amazon?
Jack Delau.
Well done, well done. Which city is known as the city of lights? Which city is known as the city of lights?
Paris.
Very good.
50 GK answers, correct, clear and consistent. This is understanding, not guesswork. Let's build accuracy in children from a very young age. Follow us to know more updates. The world's best vibrant enrichment program from Japan, now in India.